Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been day trading about 3 years now, documenting my journey and my struggles to get there. If that's your type of thing, hit that like button and subscribe and join me on my journey. But right now, we are live. It's Friday morning, August 2nd, last day of the week. Looking for a strong finish, and I'm coming off three days in a row green, but my goal right now is not to be green. My goal right now is to follow my system, to not break my rules. That's my only goal right now. And man, I'm having a hard time. Man. What's up, Signature? I really think it's just in the moment, the I don't know, for some reason taking a trade in the moment feels like, I don't know, it always seems like an exceptional moment. Like, in this moment I need to make an exception because this is about to be a great trade. But I need to, it's a mindset thing. I got to change my mindset and just like, there is no moment like that. It's all about the rules. It's all about being consistent. Cause like, man, honestly, all of my data is garbage. Like, there's so many rule breaks in my trades, like in my log. It's like, it doesn't even mean it. It's not anything I can base any real decisions off of because I haven't actually followed the system yet. I've followed it enough to be able to pull some green days, some great trades, but that's basically the days when the market does exactly what, exactly what I needed to do for my system to work. But on the other days, I get destroyed. So it's just not going to work without being able to stick to the plan. So that's the goal. What's up, Artem? Yeah, man, big gap down today. I was expecting that though. I was expecting that. It's over. I don't know, bro. You never know what can happen. We can have a even bigger engulfing candle today. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. But yeah, this is a pretty big move down. I mean, just completely engulfed all of this trading pretty much. This was a nice run though, wasn't it? This was a nice run. This is a decent pullback spot though, you know. If you consider the beginning of the move up happening down here and us moving way up here, pulling back, that's about 50% on the Fib, you know. It's probably about 40 right now, getting into 50 with this gap down, you know. Come back and test these highs down here. Maybe start the slow grind back up. Three pony, what's going on? Yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't even matter anymore. If it goes up, I'm in the Qs. If it goes down, I'm in the SQs. So, um, I think I'm becoming the trader that wants to becoming the trader that wants to sit in the move all day. So, I think I'm going to probably lean on the 5R higher low management for my stops. Cause getting all aggressive about the R's, it's just you're trading your P&L, not the chart. and you end up getting out of things when you didn't need to. And that's kind of been a constant theme for me, just realizing how much bigger of a move I could have captured on a lot of trades had I actually committed to my 5 minute um, higher low. Hmm. All right. Hmm. Pre-market, the thing break pre-market low, man. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. I hope it bounces. I don't want the demise of the market at all. Just be more panic and oh man. But hey, that is opportunity. Might be time to start a swing portfolio if the markets continue selling off. It's supposed to be the 5. Dang, look at this volume. 1 million. Oh, was that 5 million on the first candle? Golly. No, say it's 5 million so far. Okay, yeah. No, that's it. 1 million. Okay. Mm-mm. 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 Yeah, also, I had to get rid of that 2 minute chart, man. 2 minute chart was it was creating a huge conflict between me wanting to manage on the 5 minute and me seeing all these movements and rejections and wide range candles and volume spikes happening on the 2 minute and the one, because I'll be flipping to the one too. And it just, and then 5 minutes later, looking at the 5, it's like, oh man, that wasn't no big deal. That didn't turn out to be anything but some noise. So I think I'm done with the lower time frame. It's just gonna be the 15 and the 5. I'm come in the morning and look over the higher time frames and make sure I got all the levels I think are important. And then after that, just trade the chart. 15 up here, 5 down here. I don't think I need anything else. All right, now slow down. Hmm. Unless that thing go crashing to the floor. Ten seconds. Hmm. Oh, the old okie dokie. Man, you think that thing could just go like that? Might have to wait for that 15. This look kind of wild. It's not even got that. It's not even on a lot of volume pushing way up there. Mm. I move. Uh, hmm. Okay. Here we go. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Stock market, like never, never let them know your next move. Never let them see your next move. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way in. Man, this is going pretty good already. Right. Now we chill. think 456 is probably going to be the first significant level. Mm-mm-mm. This is actually my favorite my favorite 5 minute opening range breakout setup. Well, I don't know. I kind of like it when it's just the first hammer, but I like it when it tests the low first, pulls back first, and then goes for sure. Mm-mm-mm. All right, so far so good. No rule breaks yet. You can do it. Mm-mm-mm. Yep, I don't know what to expect today. I'm just going to react within the guidelines of my rules. That is the plan. I'm hoping, I really would like a nice little pullback down here, down to the, somewhere off up in here-ish. So I could, maybe add a little bit, but this might be my only opportunity. So let's add on the fives though. Uh-oh. I get caught up in the okie doke. Up on down here. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. This all felt so complicated a couple weeks ago, and now it just feels like so overly simplified. That's the strangest thing, but we'll see. Come on, pull it on back in here a little bit. Come on and tap this little VWAPy right here. It's definitely undecided. Look at this 15-minute. A whole doji. At least it's on the top side of it though. That's positive. Okay. All right. It's not so bad. It's kind of bad. I don't even have my stop in the right spot for real. But I'm feeling like if it pulls that far back in, it's probably toast anyway. That would be another 50 cent, 5 shares. What's that? Is that what that is? No, it's like 70 cents. Another $3.50. Will it hold 450? It's looking pretty bad over here. Miguel. Miguel. What's up, man? Hmm. Which way will it go? I do want my stop at the lower day, but mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 51. Hey, what's up, Kay? Actually, what's going on? Yeah. $15. Oh, it's doing that. Mm. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. No, it's all good, man. It's part of the game, you know. Yeah, me too. You know. Oh, nice. Spy looking just as sick today. It actually don't look bad. I might have just messed up this Q trade by not having my stop underneath the low of day. And this would have been my ad signal, the break of this 5-minute candle. Yeah, I'm screwing up already. We'll see. Thought this break was pretty significant though. Yeah, I could definitely see that too. But I don't know. I was kind of expecting fear to take over after yesterday. That a lot of money pulled out of the stock market yesterday and flowed into bonds. And sound like the hood outside right now. All right, so yeah, let's see. Now, I think if the SPY can break, if the market breaks more lows, like pre-market lows, I think it's gonna drop some more. Okay, Artem. See, hey, yeah, bro, get out of here. I appreciate it, K. Yeah, man, take your money. It's Friday. You know what I'm saying? Go on and get up out of here, bro. Go on and get up out of here. Hmm. That's what's up. Hmm. Yeah. Still, man, still a huge work in progress, man, on the discipline. I added right here on the two when, I mean, hmm, I would have been stopped at my original stop anyway, right here. So, doesn't really matter. But if I executed this the way it was supposed to be executed, my entry was good. Stop should have been all the way under the lows down here. And I should have been waiting to add for one of these 5 minute candles to make a high. And this one right here might turn out to be the candle. And then had I been patient with this could be the perfect place to add and this thing could go and I would have missed this perfect add. I don't think I would have been able to add though because there's no place to move my stop up to. So I actually still would have had to wait for another higher high, higher low. So I guess we'll see if my read was correct, but I'm thinking. I don't know. It looks pretty weak to me at this point. I would definitely lean to the downside. I would definitely lean to the downside. Um, at this point, but you never know. It sold off quite a bit yesterday. I would say the market's gonna go whichever way the 15-minute opening range breaks. So if it breaks the top, I say going up today, and if it breaks the bottom, I say we're going down. So we'll see. I think the market's gonna go to the right. It's definitely gonna go to the right. Man, my allergies are bothering me right now. My eyes all itchy. Man. We shall see. I don't know. I'm very curious actually about the direction of the market. Oh boy. Here it goes. Maybe. There's 76. This low is 50. You cry too. It's burning down to the ground, man. I had a mind to wait for that first higher low too, because I figured it would do something like that, kind of break one way and then come back the other. But sometimes you gotta pay a R to find out. All right, there goes that low at 50. This one is 29. Low of day 44829. There goes that. Kaput. All right, Ben. I think we're going down for the day. I think it's going down. It's going down for me. Yeesh, look at that big old candle right there. It's not so bad on the 5. No, not always. Not that hard. Like at the open, like usually after the 5 minute break, it'll like I mean it broke past the 5 minute and ran all the way up here and then like crash. That's not. I don't think it always does that. I think within the 5 it happens. Like this morning, this is normal. But for it to break out of that high and come all the way up and then crash all the way back down, that's not. I wouldn't say that's normal. That's like that's extreme volatility right here. I mean, it happens. It's not like a black swan event or something, but typically, if it creates a range like that when it breaks to one side, you know, that's kind of my whole operation here. Oh, my bad. I'm talking on the wrong screen. That's the thing about having two different screens. Okay, yeah, this is what I was talking about. This right here. This happens a lot. It trades down, pulls back at the open, and then picks its direction. That's normal to me. But for it to pick its direction, start making some decent highs, like it went up $2 and then came all the way back down and just crashed through the lows. That's. You said you had to get back in. Yeah, the 5. Yeah, I mean, I think this was a pretty all right, let me check you out. Whoo. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, bro. So you out? That's realized? Hey, look at everybody getting to the bag today. Hey, getting to the bag, man. I love to see it. Okay, my man. So you done now? Now you done? Bruh, you just completely erased yesterday, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. See? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure, man. I'm chilling. To just wish I had more shares, but it's all good. Just trying to wait for some semblance of a pullback. I guess I missed that right there. Yeah, I definitely missed it. It's only 20 cent from my entry. I need a pullback. It's got to pull back. It's gonna pull back. Bruh. That's why I love this game, bro. That's why I love this game. The potential is crazy. What's up, Jack? Man, bro, just like that. I was sick for you yesterday too, bro. I'm so happy that you you got that back today, man. That's perfect. Now you gotta stay just chill, bro. Let that thing marinate. Let it soak. You made it back. Great victory. Let that coast you into your weekend, man. Enjoy yourself. Come back next week ready to rock. Yeah, man. Yeah, I was really close to waiting for the 15 today. See, I be here I be hearing these ideas. I hear my thoughts and they sound good, but that FOMO, man. Did FOMO. I should have for sure added at the break of the 5 minute opening range. How low can you go? Ah, bruh, I'm sure, man. You had me in my feelings over here, bro. Yeah, man. Artem went and got it out the mud. Waiting on that first 5 minute pullback. Don't let the voices in. Voices be right, man. Voices. I'd say the SQ's trade is going well so far. My only regret is not adding over the 5 minute opening range on this side. That would have been swell. I'm still thinking I should be adding. Before that thing goes $1 on me, I was just like, where's the pullback, yo? It's no pullback today. It's different because like when it goes up, it's usually gonna pull back, but this is in inverse to the Qs, and the Qs are just falling, and it can free fall all day. Come on, dog. Where's the pullback? What would my average be if I added here? I need my average to be like 990. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it's got to pull back at some point. Yeah, you think so? I don't know, man. I think these are all like fabricated dramas to move money around. Like, imagine you got to move some trillions of dollars. You need to get the whole world the whole world in the right spot to make sure that you can move it. I you know, I, that's not a dumb question. Um, I want to say yes, but I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure. Dang, if it hits 10%, bro, like in one day, we're at 3% right now. Yeah, but I'm talking about governments moving. I don't know. I mean, I don't. I'm just. These are just unfounded ideas, but I just think everything we see is like a show. You know, all the news releases and man, that book, this book I read, it's a crazy book. It's not what I thought it was gonna be either, and I don't even know if I would say I liked it, but it just kind of gave me a perspective on kind of what goes on behind the scenes. And you know, people, this guy basically, companies would hire him. Like, you know how people in companies in high positions, they get shares of the company as part of their pay, right? And sometimes these guys, these people in the company have hundreds of thousands of shares in this company, and the stock is down and they want to sell their shares. So they hire somebody to come in and get the price of the stock up so that they can offload their shares to the market. And like, it's literally his job. And what he'll do, you know, he'll say, all right, I need this budget of money in order to manipulate, and he might buy, you know, some stocks in an opposing market or something that'll affect his market. And you know, it's just like it's just all manipulation, man. And we're just trying to ride the waves. So yeah, I mean, they might make it seem like the stock market's in trouble and oh no. But I just think it's all engineered for the most part. And I'm just trying to catch a wave on where it's going. Like HH be saying, just trying to hop on that big money. Yeah. See, small caps to me is the little guys doing it. That's like a clear example of the little guys. But I think it happens in the large caps too. It just looks different. It happens over months instead of days. Average price. 495, 996. Okay. It's like one example from the book was like, um, okay, so the stock is down. The companies buy up the shares. The company buys up their own shares, and now they need to pump the price. So now they got some news releases coming, um, earnings, all of this stuff that they put out and get the price pumping, and now it's pumping, and now they got, you know, AMD representatives regularly showing up on Kramer or whatever MSNBC financial show, making his rounds everywhere, and everybody's pumping it, and for months, and now the price, people are rolling into the price, and all these banks are giving it upgrades and everything, and now the price is sky high, and now at the top, companies start selling their shares and the price pulling back, and people start wondering what's going on with the shares, and they're like, oh, it's normal, it's just a pullback, and prices then they keep selling, and the price drops more, and now, oh, they're out of their shares, and now you get a news report, oh, the earnings aren't so good this time, and they missed this, and lawsuit that, and now the price plummets again, and once it gets back down where they want it, they buy back in, and now the companies, you know it's just it's all intentional, man. It's just legal manipulation. And we as retail traders have found the signs of the manipulation, which is the news releases and the catalysts and all of that stuff, but it's just signs that big money's about to do something, you know but it's all orchestrated, and they get first dibs, and we try to catch the wave before they kill it. Yeah, yeah. We just riding the wave. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Apple, what's going on with Apple? Okay, Apple's having a good time. Yeah, Apple's having a real good time. Looks great. Yeah. Looked at Apple in a while. It's got a decent daily. Yeah. 224.48. Wow, it went to 240, 224.43 already. Get over that high a day, it'd be pretty cool. Whew. My bad, y'all. I had a little phone call I had to tend to. This is looking about what I've been waiting for. About what I've been waiting for. All right. Now I got a nice happy position. Seems high. Yeah. Does it? My 1 hour stop is still below VWAP. First higher low on the 5. This is like the very beginning of the move, in my opinion. The first full pullback since it broke out from this level. I would have rather added here at the break for sure. But I missed that. Mostly because there's no red candles. It didn't look like, I would have to have been maybe looking at the lower time frame to see, this kind of yeah. But yeah, that would have been nice for sure to buy right there. But no, I think this is great. This is really nice price structure. No, my stop is still like 100 shares. I'm doing $10 risk, so I need a 10-cent stop. My average is 9.94. My stop is 9.84, which is 5 cents below VWAP. And if it comes down here and breaks this and trades through VWAP, it's pretty much done anyway, I would say, at least on that move. And so once it breaks this high right here, if it breaks this high, I'm going to move my stop below this wick. And that'll be 3 cents. That'll be 1 cent below break even. So this is like perfect. It's looking good. High of day 1016 on these SQs. And we can see that the Qs are struggling. Got to get through this low though. Up, up. Oh, nice. On them inverses 2A. SOXS. All right then, big dog at 33.26. Oh, okay. You in the money. ATR matters, bro. Ben, I don't do targets anymore. I just raised my stop. So, um, yeah, I don't like capping my winners. I'm like saying I only want to win this much and that's it. Like I don't like doing that. So I now will move my stop up on the 5 minute higher lows. So when this makes a new high, I will move my stop up under this low, and then as price moves up, I will look for places to move my stop up to try to stay in the trend as long as it's trending, you know. I've still but once it starts getting up pretty high, I tend to get a little excited with my stop loss and start wanting to lock things in. So it's definitely a work in progress, my take profit strategy. But for right now, I'm just buying and putting a stop in and looking to raise my stop. I'm giving room for home runs. I would imagine most of my trades are gonna stop at 2R or 3R, maybe 4R. But there will be opportunities to catch big. If I just place a take profit at 2R or 3R, I will miss all opportunities to go to 5, 6, 7R. You know. Hmm. That's not what I want to see there. Quite often. Quite often. Let's do a study. Yesterday, all day trend. I bought here, stop under the low, comes up here, pulls back, one 5 minute red candle, then pulls up, makes a new high, stop under there. This little 5 minute pullback here makes a new high, pull your stop up here. This little pullback makes a new high, stop up there. Pull back, stop up, pull back, stop, pull back, stop, pull back, stop. You literally could have been in this trend all day long until about right here by doing that. Let's keep going. No trend. Another trend. All right, higher high, higher low. Buy the break here, stop under the low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, stops out. Let's keep going. All right, so let's say you wait like you're supposed to for the opening range. You get in here and you don't make it that far, right? You get your stop up to here, it goes up, and then the trend is over. So you get up to here. But that was all, that was the day. You know, nothing going on there. Yeah, so here, I mean, yeah, you might only get to move your stop up once. I don't know, this kind of price action, you know, you might have to get a little creative. But this probably be a break even day, you know. This is another trend day that you could make it probably all the way up to here, from down here to here without getting stopped, you know. Um, yeah, I mean, you know, I didn't decide to manage my stop on the fives just because it sounded cool. No offense, but I see these ranges all the time. The 5 minute trend lasts quite a while. Lasts quite a while. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. That's what I'm not saying it's the holy grail. There's gonna be times where it doesn't work out the best. But hmm. So now the thought is, do I just go ahead and stop out up here at break even? Or do I let it come through and stop me all the way out? Which my stop is in a good spot to stay in the trade. So yeah, we're not gonna raise up our stop. Yeah, they're similar. Just not exactly the same. Well, 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 what do we have here? Man, that worked out perfect though, these two ads, because it made my average exactly 1 cent above the 5 minute opening range. You mean why let it break this low right here? Well, hmm, that's true. But the thing is, I don't move my stop up until we get a high. So yeah, so I can't move my stop up yet. Hmm. Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm thinking. Mm. I'm looking for it too. All right, so the reason the reason I wait is because I don't really know the nature of the pullback. Like sometimes the pullback isn't super clean, you know, and or this really the trend could just be starting here and it's really just ranging right now in this new range that it created breaking above. And so I just want to give it room to really, do its thing. And so until it makes a higher high, I don't want to move my price up. So if it breaks back above this high, then that's when I move my stop. Until then, keep it at 1R. So like this was in anticipation that this was going to be the continuation, but it still came down. Hmm. Interesting questions there, Ben. Definitely challenging me here. But I to me it's not out of the question that it would want to come down here and test VWAP or test the top of this opening range. And I want to give it room to do so because things don't always move perfectly. That's kind of what makes managing on the fives difficult because a lot of days it doesn't really give you a clear place to move, and that's kind of when I'm in limbo. But on the days that it is trending, that's the best method for me is to use the five. But now I do want to add and tighten that stop up. Still a 10-cent stop though. Which would be like 96. Hmm. Okay. SOXS back to VWAP. Right with you there, bro. Hoping for a nice bounce back and a flush on the Qs. And we'll be in the money, HH. We'll be in the money. No, you don't. I like that so far. Nice rejection of VWAP on the Qs. And the money, $40. I got a aura. One aura. Yeah, buddy. Break that 446. Hmm. Yeah, see, so because Ben, I don't know that this is a lower low until I get a higher high, right? So this turned out to not be the low, the low. This is the low. So if we get a high, this will be the higher low, you know, even though it's a lower low compared to that low. I don't know. You just gotta feel it. Nah, I don't feel it. Yeah. Shoot, the catalyst is the market. The sky is falling. That's the catalyst. The sky is falling. um, yeah, I guess yesterday was first day of the month. Got a little green. uh, she said, "Man, ain't nothing going on in here but a sidewalk. You ain't making no money." That's funny. You still in Apple? Yeah, it's sidewalking. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Need that high. Cause really it could break up and go into a consolidation, you know what I mean? Do all kind of weird stuff before breaking up to the next level. Look at that 15, man. Is that gorgeous? Bruh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Spy breaking, cues breaking. Oh, man. uh 15 minutes sexy, huh? Hey yo. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, man. It changed my whole mindset. Cause like before I'm stressed about finding the one thing that's going up, right? I got to make sure I'm now it's like, all right, either the market going if the market's going to do three things, right? It's going to go up, down, or sideways. So sideways, I mean, ain't much you can do about that. But if it goes up, I can attack, and if it goes down, I can attack. And it's either the SQs or the Qs. Like, bro, I need more. I'm collecting data right now, but I definitely feel like I cracked the code for me. Like I feel like this was the step, and I still got to tweak some things because I'm still I do believe I'm not gonna make it to the big leagues without like a much higher level of discipline than I currently have. Um, but I feel like I'm good enough that just removing all those obstacles I had and putting myself in a perfect environment that I can, you know, pull a little something, pull a little something, enough to give me the motivation to get to that extra level of discipline I need to get to. You know what I mean? We start bouncing now. Oh yeah, you broke that 40. You broke that 445. Come on back. Come on back. 15 minute and triggered. You gotta come on back. I agree, man. I've low key wanted to study shorting and just kind of be familiar with it, just to know, because a lot of times I'll take a long trade and then I'll come back and look at it like, man, that was actually a really good short setup if I was a short trader. But I'm not thinking like that, so I wouldn't see it. Like what I'm thinking is a good long is actually a really good short setup. Hey, Pine Tree Trader in the house. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you stopping by. Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit that like button, man. Por favor. Um, yeah, but I definitely think your mind is open to all the possibilities, because there's definitely going to be long and short setups, and you need to know the difference between the two. So yeah, I like where I'm at right now, man. I like where I'm at, and I'm super excited. Like I'm in, you go through those phases of your trading where you're feeling a little hopeless and lost and down, and you don't know where you're gonna go, and then you got the where you feel like you're kind of onto something but you're trying to figure a couple things out, and then you got like where you feel like, hey yo, it's about to go down. Like that's how I feel right now, like it's about to go down. But we gotta see. There's always, every time I felt like that, there's always been some new hurdle come out and slap me in the face like, hold on, bruh, sit down for a minute. Sit down for a minute, bro. You ain't ready. So, we'll see. We'll see. But I feel great right now. I feel like I have an edge right here, like I could really do this. We'll see. If these SQs go up for the rest of the day, that would be really nice. I hope you're right, bro. I hope you're right. I'd be surprised if this 15-minute candle don't follow through with a nice rip down to the downside, man. Like a rip. What's the hourly looking like? Dang, what's even next? Yo, Brandon, what's going on, bro? How we looking today, man? Hey, Pine Tree Trader, what do you trade, bro? Yeah, that's what I want to see, man. I'm waiting for the follow through on this tail. I want to see another one of these big boys right here. Right there. Just bow. Bow. Right through the flow. Hmm. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. You know, Signature, I don't know if he's still in Apple, but this is one thing that I was always fighting with in the market that, okay, on a down day like today, where the market is falling through the floor, right? I would be looking for that one that has relative strength, which is like a stock like Apple. Relative strength, strong. Look at this, really strong open. Pretty nice setup on the daily. But usually with those, it's from what I found, the follow through just never is there because the market's weak. And you know, it'll have an initial pop, but I'll be waiting for it to actually go and it'll just like fizz out because the market's dragging it down. It can only be strong so long. Of course, you have your exceptions, and then that's what you're hoping for, that you can find that one exception. And yeah. Who else got them R's today, man? Yeah, we need to do like a weekly R roundup on Friday, man, to see how many R's you got for the week. Who's up? Who's down? I think I'm up pretty good this week as far as R's go. Yesterday, I don't know, it was kind of hard to calculate because I took like two $5 risk trades and two $15 risk trades. So I don't know. It was green though, and I made some money. This thing taking its sweet time. T-Lo. That's my guy, T-Lo, right there, man. We went to high school together. It's my brother from another mother. Man. Yeah. Breakdown looking pretty imminent. Once we take that 445. Oh, nice. There you go. There you go. There you go. Getting to the money, man. Hold on. Where bugs at? There we go. Count it up. Ah, don't do that, spy. Don't go up there. Don't do that. We just had a nice little red candle going. Nice red candle. It's so weird watching and wanting things to go down. Like for the last 3 years, I've, I've hated red candles so much. And now it's like, go down. Yeah, go on down there. We ain't gotta waste time doing that, y'all. Just go on down. Just 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 go on down. I don't know. Now I do want to move my stop up because losing a bit of faith here. That concept is hilarious. Just dead cat bounce. Just trying. Oh yeah. Artem, you don't sound like you playing video games, bro. You sound like you back in the market. uh, it's hard to press you to stay out of this potential level break that's about to happen. We're waiting. That looks real nice. Come on, baby. Trying to see $11 today. I know, man. It is. It's like some edge of your seat stuff right here, man. All right, now let's go up. I just heard Intel said that they had some bad news come out. I can't remember what the report was, but I heard something bad about Intel this morning. It sure is choppy though. It's choppy on the 15. How you gonna be choppy on the 15? Yeah, look how bad Intel gapped down. Intel's in trouble. Intel, AMD might as well buy out Intel. Yeah, Intel about to get bought out. I'm saying, where is it at? Oh, for real? Under 15. There it is. Back down to 445. Come on. Hmm. Oh, you get dividends for Intel? Shoot, they would need to have something going on. Gee, look at that gap down, boy. Yeah, you about to come back to your average, bro. You can add. uh, about to be ready to add here in a minute. Got 19. Man, dang, you've had it for a long time, bro. That thing ain't been $15 since 2000. What? Nah, they must have did a reverse split or something. Oh, you're trying to buy at 15. I was about to say. Uh, no dividends, HH. No divvy. Hey, man, what's up with this? Going the wrong way, dog. I got you. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Tim? Appreciate you getting in the convo. What happened to my line? Oh, okay. All right, that's what's up, man. You trade? Yeah, there we go, y'all. Finally, a low, lower low. Nice. Shoot. Your boy got a good entry on the SQs, man. I'm chilling. I'm trying to see $1. Waiting for Nvidia to drop. I ain't even looked at Nvidia today. How long you been trading, Tim? Yeah, that Intel monthly chart looks super sad. Yeah, get that. Okay. What's the daily looking like? I've been bullish on Nvidia for a while. I mean, not bullish, bearish. Since this right here, I was like, yeah, Nvidia about to pull back hard. Real hard. Little under 6 months. Okay. All right. So you day trading? Little under 6 months. Man, this is still full of hope. Still got that glimmer in your eye. Yeah, I hear that, man. This is definitely what I'm hoping is the key to my leaving the workforce permanently. For sure. I don't know, man. It's definitely uptrending right now. I believe it. I believe it. Same as reselling. Huh. Okay. So you do options. Man, we're not getting what we want. Not getting what we want today. Yeah, I'll be chilling, bro. I'll be chilling. VSEE. Dang. You didn't even want to let it get to VWAP. Man, nice entry though, bro. Nice entry, man. See, that's why I like managing on them fives, man. Like boop, 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 boop. Every time you get a new high, just boop, boop, boop. But then once I see this big volume coming in, now I'm gonna be raising my stop up, like getting tight, probably dropping down time frames, trying to see what's popping. Yeah, probably be right up under here now. Like I ain't giving nothing back. I'm trading indexes. I've been trading stocks for like the last 3 years. Started in penny stocks, small caps, and worked my way up to mid and large caps. And last 2 weeks, I've been trading the Qs, the indexes. Started at the SPY, now I'm doing the Qs. Break even? Ah, bro. See, getting stopped out on a higher low is like sacrilege. Like you should never get stopped out on a higher low. For me, like I'm when I get stopped out, like that's a natural process of an uptrend, you know. So that's why I've been trying to pull back to the 5 minute chart so I can not get too excited about the highs and lows on the lower time frames. But yeah, I just buy shares though. I don't do any options or anything like that. Just shares. Bro, this thing don't want to go down easy, man. It's putting up a whole fight. That's what's up. That's what's up, bro. Microgreed. Yeah, I feel you. That's all right, man. Good trade though. You know, your entry was good. Just gotta I don't know. Like for me, I don't know, bro. It's so hard. It's so hard, bro, to have a set take profit strategy because it never looks the same, you know. And when you see that your take profit strategy might not be the best for the situation, it's hard to use it. But then it turns out to be the best, and then you like, dang, why didn't I just stick to my rules? So yeah, you just gotta pick a strategy, bro, and be happy with the wins and accept the losses. Tis what it is. We're already out for blood. Yeah, that's what they doing. They trying to catch this knife. I'm waiting. I just want to see this break, man. Time isn't thirsty. I need a Red Bull. I haven't had any caffeine this morning. I might have to run out real quick. Yeah, good lessons for sure, bro. Come on, man. That 15 minute was looking so right. And it triggered. This thing's supposed to flush. Right. What's I want to look at this hourly. Look at that volume. Yeah, do that. Like this right here. I want to see some lower lows. This is the last lower low right here. Got to break that. 444.96, 444.47. That's our two levels on the Qs. We got to break. My bad. Dang, that sucks. I was telling Brandon that not following rules is a story of my life. That's like the hardest thing. That's the only thing I'm battling with pretty much every day is trying to not break rules. I don't know, man. I'm starting to feel sketchy about it. I really want to raise my stop here, but you hold for everyone. I'm really like, I don't know, man. Hmm. You know, Ben, this might have been the spot to stop out at break even. You know, if it couldn't bounce here and make its way up, it was weak. Interesting. I had to note that. All right. Is there any other place to draw the line here that would be reasonable? Maybe 87. Hmm. Just let my stop right where it was. 1R. We'll see what happens. If it actually holds below VWAP or not. Might just dip down here to fake out a few folks. A little bull trap. Right back down. Whew. I wish my stop was under here actually. What's that? 3 more cents, $3 more. I don't know, bro. Nah, I'll take my R. Take my R loss. Mm, yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, I've seen stuff trade this deep in the VWAP and just kind of pop right back down. This is get off this 2 minute first of all. Dang, it's still going up. Well, I think this could have been a decent break even. Now that I'm looking, the fact that it made a high, it made a higher high, and it couldn't get back up to the highs. I don't know. I could have stopped break even there and then maybe tried to re-engage if it gave the opportunity, which it would not have. So that was just the bottom then. Oh yeah, camping is fun. Where you going camping? You driving somewhere or somewhere locally where you live? Bruh. All right, man. You have a good weekend too, bro. Be safe out there. Watch out for the bears. Well, I think I'm done, y'all. My timer went off. Supposed to be done trading. What time is it? 10:48. Let's see. I'll hang out close to Portland. Oh, okay. My wife always plans our camping trips too. I might take one more on these cues, man. Ah, okay. There you go. All right, signature. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Got 10 minutes on the 15. There's the 5. Or the trust. Hey, GBK Trading. What's going on, man? Uh, just kind of getting chopped up today. two chill trades. They just no follow through for me. Bruh. I kind of want to get back in here, but yeah, man, I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. I feel good about my trading and had 3 green days before today. So, it's not a bad red day, just 2 trades. And yeah. I just if it would just pick a direction, I would be cool. It just keeps kind of going from one extreme to the next. I think Gonna go long the Qs here in a moment. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I'm chipping away at this thing, man. I'm getting feel like I'm getting better and better. $250. Yeah, it's tough, man. But yeah, I don't know. This would have been this a nice little looking entry right there, man. I think we're going long, folks. Think we're going long. We'll see how this 5 minute candle does. If it breaks upside, hmm. Yeah. How do you short BTC? You got like an exchange, a crypto exchange. This look like it's just a big old dip. 532.50. That's where you're at on oh, you still in SOXS? Yeah, that mug is not looking too healthy. Bit Unix. All right. Blowfin. Hmm. What? Forget that. I'm gonna wait for this 15 if I'm gonna take something this late in the day. Yeah, this late in the day. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. Uh, there we go. Hmm. Said I was gonna wait for the 15. Thing just dropped $1 like nothing. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna be mad at myself for this one. So what you in? The spy or you still in SOXS? I can't even move from this right now. Might as well record and stop out. I got you. Whew. Yeah, I really needed to wait for that 15-minute candle to break. And what's up, Trenches? Yeah, I just kind of played myself on that one by not share sizing right. Hmm. Weird, huh? Nah, I'm done for today, man. This just ain't a good day. This ain't a good day for me. This type of action. I'm not gonna glue myself to this and keep getting chopped out. Um, I wish I'd have saved this last trade and traded this. We might take one more over this fifth. What the heck? 50, 40, 5 shares. Yeah, this stop should have been under there. That's where I goofed on that. I should be trading the TQs instead. I don't know, man. I done got still about the same spread on the candle. What's the point? Oh, that's $1. Get 10 shares. Nah, that don't make no sense. I don't think. Yeah, this is a dumb stop out for sure. Top, bottom. It's almost at the top of the range. Buying here. Mm, 11. Yeah, this is looks like the most indecisive chop ever. Mm, just a big, massive pullback. That was so massive it had to dip down below VWAP for a little bit. Is that what's going on? Well, last swinger. Microsoft. That's good. Microsoft couldn't even make it back over VWAP for real. Let's see, this could just be the pullback to VWAP and then, I don't know, man. We about to see. We gonna find out together. Okay. Okay. Might be our last little chance here. This thing could bounce down to come down here. And then this is where the big decision is going to be made. Assuming it could even get down here. That thing keeps jumping back over 448. I want to see that 80 break. Keeps bouncing up at 80. Uh-uh. Hmm. Yeah, it's probably too much to expect though for a good day after such a wide range move yesterday. Maybe not though. We'll see. We'll see. Definitely want to see that 80 break though. Man, if this 5 minute break on the cues, I'm gonna just go on and call it. I'm gonna just go on and call it because I can do this all day. Just keep going back and forth. Can't do that. Yeah, $5 stop on these cues. If I'm wrong, and it was just a choppy day. And come on, break that 80 piece. There you go. Go on down there. Either I'm adding or stopping out. 75% of NVIDIA employees are millionaires because of their stock options. Wow. That's pretty cool. That's how you take care of your employees. That's nice. Huh. I would think a company like that would do very well. That's pretty cool. Bro, what is happening inside here? That. That's not good. That's not good at all. Now I want to go back long again. uh, yeah, I'm done for the day, y'all. I can't get it right. Just churning all my fundage away. The market just doesn't really know which way it wants to go. This looks pretty bullish. Yeah, I'm out. It's too clouded. It's too clouded, man. I can't see clearly. I can't see clearly. I got to come back another day where I got a better advantage. Although this is tempting again. Man, I just like, yeah, I have no advantage in this. I'm out. I got to close the platform or I'm going to keep trading. I'm closing it. Closing it. I'm out. That's all good. Little red day. Just one of them days in the market got chopped up a little bit. I think I could have done a little better had I don't know. I think now I need to kind of clearly define when it's okay to flip to the other side. Cause you can, if I'm just hunting VWAP, every time one breaks to the other side, I'll be going back and forth in a situation like that where it's just chopping. But you know, just one of them days. Got caught in the range. No, I'm not mad at that. You know, I just I feel like I could have played it a little better. But a good learning experience. And I think I can go into the weekend with a good mindset and some stuff to study up on a little bit and fine tune my notes and try again on Monday, man. That's pretty much what it is, you know. But anyway, appreciate you guys hanging out and trading with me. Hit that like button for me and subscribe if you have not. And check you guys later. Peace.